Hello, I'm Michelle and I will show you how to use Articulate Storyline. So I'm going to tell you how to insert characters, use templates, or add buttons and triggers. So we'll start with the basic ones. Now, here is the slide. And for example, I would like to have a certain background. So I'm going to use design. So we can choose here. We have a lot of choices. So for now, I'm gonna use this one. So it looks like just a linen paper. So it's like this. And for example, I would like to change the color. So all you have to do is just right click. You're gonna see format background, and then you can choose the color. So for now, I'm gonna use this color. And then if you want to apply it to all slides, you can click on that. But since I will just be working on just one slide, I'm gonna close it. So here it is. It still has the same texture, but different color. Now I want to insert a character. I'm gonna click on insert, and then I'm gonna click on character. We have two types of characters. We have illustrated and we have photographic. But right now I'm just using the free trial of Articulate. So for the photographic, I will have just one choice. So here it is. So just one character. So I'm gonna use the illustrated character. So I'm gonna close this one. I'm gonna click on it again and then choose illustrated. When you say illustrated, these characters look like cartoon. So like this one. Now I wanna use this. Okay, I'm gonna choose a character. So I'm gonna choose this one. So this is the character. The good thing about this is you can change the perspective, the expression, and the pose. Perspective. So meaning to say, if you want the character to face front, you can just simply click on front like this. If you want it to face the left side, you can click on left. There. So for the expression, so we have here a lot of choices too. We can choose happy, stressed, angry, alarmed, or even asking. So I'm gonna use asking, like this one. Now if you want to change the posing, because right now she has her arms on the side like that, but I'm gonna choose a different one. So maybe this one. We have a lot of choices here too, so you can choose from, for example, you have a chalkboard. So you can choose this one. Later on, I'm gonna show you how we can use this kind of character. Alright, so for now, I'm gonna do this. And then if you're done, you can just click on insert. There. So you can move it to different places on the slide. You can even resize it to make it bigger or to make it smaller. There. Now, for example, I changed my mind. Okay, for example, we are in the home menu, and I changed my mind. I want to change the expression, the facial expression of the character. So all you have to do is just double click on it, and then you're gonna see these. Okay? Alright, now for example, I'm done with that, and I want to insert a button. Like for example, this one. So I want to insert the button like this. Alright, so now you're gonna see here a cross, and then you can make the button like this. And then, for example, I want to choose home, like that. Alright, now you might be wondering how it's gonna work. I'm gonna make a new slide just so we can check it later on. So, for example, this one, just a blank slide. Alright, now when I click on this button, it's supposed to go there. And to do that, I would have to add a trigger. So you're gonna see that on the right side. Just click on add trigger. Now I want to jump to slide. I want to jump to the next slide. But for example, if you have a lot of slides, all you have to do is just click on it, and then you will see here the list of all slides you have. Now that's next slide. And then user clicks, but you can also change that. I mean, you can make it user right clicks or user clicks outside, but more commonly we use just user clicks. And then okay, now let's preview that. So click on preview, and then here, so there. So when I click on this, it will go to this slide. There. Now, if you want to insert audio clips, like for example, you want to, okay, here you need to click on insert. Now, for example, you want to do a voiceover, so you just need to click on the sound icon, and then you're gonna see sound from file if you already have it on file, or record mic. So you can click on record mic and then click here, and then you can already record your voice. Now when you're done, just click on save. There. Alright. Now for example, I want to maybe insert a new slide with a template. So I'm gonna click on new slide, and then we have here different choices. We have, of course, we have the basic layouts, but we also have templates. Now we already have here some characters and character display panels. Alright, so I'm gonna choose this one. So it's the same character, but it has a chalkboard. So I'm gonna import. Okay, let's just wait for a while. So let's just wait for a few more seconds. Alright, so there, we have it here. Now, for example, you want to change the posing of the character. Like, since it's a chalkboard, you want the character to be holding a stick. Now, you can just double click on the character, and then click on pose. And then there, we have different poses here. So I'm gonna choose a pointer like this one here. And then if you want to add a text, you can just put it here or here, and then highlight it, and you can change the color like this one. There. So very easy. Alright, so we have here different objects that you can insert. We have here the shape. We also have here caption, pictures, so you can insert a lot of objects. So there, that's how you can use Articulate Storyline. Again, I'm Michelle, and hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!